Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to create assets and tile map in Aseprite and then import them to tile map editor and then import them to Godot game editor. So first we have to create a project. I'm gonna do this. So my tile will be of 16 by 16, 9 tiles, and you can make uh, as much as you wish. So what I'm gonna do is, first I'm gonna take this rectangle tool and make some rectangles. Ta-da! This is my tile. Okay, wait, I can make another tile, something like this, this, and this. Ta-da! This is my tile. Now what we have to do is just go to file, click export, and don't resize it, just export it as it is. Now what we have to do, first we have to make an project, new project, tile map tutorial. After that, browse T here, say new folder, new tile map, kind of something. Users can make as you wish. After making this project, just go to asset lib, search tile, download, install, go to project, plugins, enable tiled map importer. After that, just open your 2D scene, add a node, save the scene as you wish. After that, open tile map editor. So first we have to make a new tile set and just name it tile map or something. Now browse the file that you make. Here's my file. Now save as. Now save, remember, save this in your Godot project folder only, nowhere else. After that, you can see here is our tile. There are 9 tiles. So now we don't have to do nothing. We have to do nothing, just make a tile map, drag and drop this tile map dot tsx, and ta-da! Now resize the cell as your tile set size. Mine is 16 by 16. Just transform it so that you can easily see them, 4 and 4. You can see all tiles are working. wait, sorry, here. Hmm. And just F5, select your scene, and down your tile set. That's what you want. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you like it, so just like the video. Till then, bye bye.